Hello, welcome to this market update through YouTube. Today we're focusing on gold. As you may well be aware, it's just hit $1,500 per ounce, and it's breaking out to multi-year highs. And so a lot of excitement around the gold price at the moment, generally very bullish outlooks, the feeling that we may have entered into a new prolonged bull market. Let's just test that thesis. Well, in the chart behind me, through the LCG Trader platform, this is gold against the dollar, and this is the main price that everyone follows, and I'll talk about where we think things are heading in just a minute. You can see from just the chart there the general idea. But against the British pound, against the Japanese yen, against the Aussie dollar, I believe against the New Zealand dollar, multiple other currencies, against those measured against those currencies, gold is already at a record high. So in many ways, the standard understanding of the gold price is being held back by relative strength in the US dollar. If you were pricing gold as a basket of various other fiat currencies, it would pretty much be at record highs as it is against these other currencies. So that in itself is some proof about the level of bullishness towards gold. And that's why we think probably there's some more way to go, even after hitting $1,500 per ounce. Now, of course, 1,500 is a big round number, so we could get a more protracted retracement from here. You know, this could be as far as gold goes. But if we go back to our longer term analysis that we've pulled up on numerous occasions with gold, we were basing out for multiple years, and we've had a huge breakout beyond this 1,400 level. And prices have just hit 1,500. But if you look here on the longer term basis, just before we hit 1,550, it's around 1,535 is when we start encroaching those old lows from back in the dark days of 2011, 2012, when gold was pulling back from its huge bull market. And that was support for a while. And the standard understanding is that while it was support for a long time, it should be some resistance on the way back up. So we're expecting some sort of probably bigger pullback nearer 1535 to 1550, but not necessarily now. So then if we do drop down to this daily chart again, zoom in a little bit, we've had a big price jump now, so we may even not get much more of a pullback here, and we may just zoom straight up another $35 odd. Of course, we could top out here, but what we think probably happens is we pull back towards this upward sloping trend line, and that would be a pullback of between $20 and $30. So enough to shake a few weak hands out of the market and offer some sort of opportunity to re-enter with hopes of targeting 1535 to 1550 in the next leg higher of this bull market. So we just need to see how the price reacts if we do get some kind of pullback. We may not, in which case, you know, great for momentum traders, great for those who are already in the long position, but not so great for swing traders looking for a cheaper entry. So somewhere in this region, 1470, depending on how you draw this trend line, could be up on the very highs here rather than the closes. Be more like 1480, something like that. Potentially an opportunity to ride this bull market even further. Let's see what happens though. A lot of it rests on the outlook for the trade war and what central banks have to say. But as it stands, gold looking very strong. All right, Jasper signing out. Thank you, everyone.